Hello everyone! Excel just got a major upgrade. Microsoft has introduced a brand new feature called Copilot function, and it's going to completely change how you work with spreadsheets. So in this video, I'll explain the new function does or what the new function does and how to use it step by step. And I'll show you some real examples so you can see how powerful it is. So let's dive in. So what is exactly Copilot function? This is like having an AI assistant inside Excel. Instead of typing some complex formula or maybe spending time cleaning up data, you can just tell Copilot to plain English what you want. An example, in plain English, you don't have to do any complicated stuff. For example, you can type something like equal Copilot, summarize the sales data in column B by month. And Excel will instantly generate the formula and pivot or summary for you. It's basically a shortcut to formulas, charts, and analysis without needing to know all the technical details. So how can you enable it? Before you use two equals copilots, as an example, let me just go here to a blank like new, and let's just go here and type this and type copilots. As you can see, I don't have it at the moment. So I have code, column, everything, but I don't have copilots. So basically, you will have to make sure that you are on the latest version of Excel 2025, of course, Microsoft 365. And Copilot is enabled in your Excel app. Currently, it's rolling out gradually. So if you don't see it yet, make sure to check the inserts. And here's an example, an insert. I just went here as an example to connect into my account so I can edit some stuff. As I said, if you go here to inserts, and you will basically have, of course, to insert, first of all, a table. Because without a table, you'll not be able to use Copilot because Copilot only uses or works with a table. You'll have also to keep in mind that if you don't have the latest version of Excel, it might not work for you, or you may not even find like Copilot. So to make sure if it's only or even available in your region first, so let me just go and close the one that I have it downloaded, and I'm just going to open like any browser, whatever browser you have. I'm just going to type online Excel, hit the enter button, click on the first link, and make sure that you're logged in into an account. Here, make sure to create something starts from, as an example, template. So I'm just going to start from a template, and I'm going to look for a table templates. The table templates will make it easy for me. So, okay, this should be good. So as you can see, I do have here a table that I can start with. Of course, if I go and type like Copilot, I'll find nothing, just to keep that in mind. Let me just go and click on Control Z so I can get to what I have. So I just changed here, as an example, the data or the spreadsheet, an example, to one that I already had in my PC. It's better so I can understand, example, what I'm working with. Of course, you'll have to keep in mind that Copilot, you will not, as I said, will not be available in all regions yet. And also, it will not be available if you're using the free option, example, online. So you'll have at least to buy the least like subscription. So if you go to buy Microsoft 365 at the top right, you'll find here an example, the personal and family. And on personal example, you'll have access to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Notes desktop apps with the Microsoft Copilot. If you're using the free one as an example, so of course, if you pay yearly, it's going to be less by around 16% or 16% exactly. So as an example, Word, Excel, and stuff with Copilot. That means you will be able to use Copilot within Word, within Excel, within PowerPoint, within Outlook, and within all the Microsoft apps that is accessible, as an example, in here, or that they will tell you exactly, not all like not notes and maybe OneDrive and stuff like that, because you don't need Copilots right there. So as you can see, then you'll be able to, once you click an example, of course, you'll not be able to work on something like that. Normally, you'll have to form that as a table. So make sure to select an example, your data, and make sure to form it as table. If you are on Excel, an example, normal Excel, let me just go and do so. You'll be able to easily do so. So you can just go and hover all your data. Go to home and click on format an example as table, and make sure to go and format that as a table. Once you format them as a table, an example, once you click on it, you should find on the right here, the Copilot tab, where you'll be able to ask them to do stuff for you. So normally, when you wanted to do stuff before, you had to click on the equal, and maybe an example, you want to do add, or maybe you want to do equal, maybe b5 plus or minus, an example, I don't know, this, if you want to do some math and a lot of other stuff. But now you don't have to do it. And of course, doing it manually, if you're not an expert, it will be harder. It will be hard, example, to do this plus this. If you're an expert, probably you'll have or you'll know how to do multiple stuff plus multiple stuff on multiple columns and stuff like that. But if you're a beginner or new, maybe like me, you'll not be able to do it. You will have to do it the manual way. This plus this equals in this column, this plus this equal in this column. Of course, this is I'm talking just about if you want to do a simple multiplication or addition in some simple columns. But if you want to do some annoying tasks or some advanced tasks, it will be much harder, specifically if you are a beginner. So the thing that's going to help you right here is Copilot. Unfortunately, at the moment, I don't have it available because I'll have to buy, an example, a premium, and that I don't have at the moment. But if you do have it, you will find, as we said, a tab on the right here. The tab will be Copilot. So let me just, an example, let me just go and quit this. Okay, let me just go and do so. Like this. Yeah, it doesn't matter. So let me just go and quit, don't save. As an example, I'm just going to do Copilots and site like Excel, so you can see the tab, how this look like. I'm just going to images right away. So as you can see, normally, let me just go and access that. So here, so this should be your Excel, and as you can see, the Copilots will be here on the right, Copilot tab, and you'll basically ask them, oh, can you, maybe you have a list of customers like this. As you can see, the list is not by a certain placement or something like that. So in order, an example for me, if I want to like do it in a certain placement, maybe I want the first person here to start with A, and then B, then C, then D. Now it's not. So I can go and click on Copilot and ask them as an example to do that for me. Of course, it's open read only. Let me just go here, click on convert, so we can first of all edit that. And yeah, so at the moment, you will find normally like a quick or Copilot's like icon here, and if you didn't find this, it's probably opened by default, and it will take an example big amounts of space, and you'll ask them to do stuff for you. So some examples will be as follows. Maybe you can ask them to show me the total revenue as example of column C. Maybe you can ask them to calculate the year-over-year growth from this data. Maybe you can ask them to which products has the highest sales in 2024. So yeah, you can even try to clean your data. You can ask to remove any duplicates and format dates in column A. Maybe you can ask to create line charts of monthly revenues from this table. You can ask, of course, also for maybe for forecast sales in the next 6 months based on historical data. So if you have more data, it will help you so much doing everything with Copilot. You don't have to do anything manually right now. But as I said, you'll have to keep in mind that you'll not be able to use it unless you have the premium like subscription. If you don't have it, you'll not be able to use it. Unfortunately, I'll not be able to show you the exact examples, but it's like any other AI that you talk with. ChatGPT, Gemini, whatever AI you used before, it's gonna be the same. You'll just have to open your spreadsheets or your Excel and talk to the AI to do stuff for you. Do this for me, as you do with any other AI. So why this is a game changer? So this basically will lower the learning curve for beginners. If you're a beginner, normally it takes you a lot of time to learn Excel specifically, not like PowerPoint and Word, because those are easier compared to Excel. And it will save hours for professionals who don't want to write long formulas. And also it turns Excel into a more of a conversational tool instead of just a formula sheet. Basically, Excel just becomes smarter and easier for everybody, not just expert people. And that's basically a quick overview on the new Copilot function in Excel. So would you actually use this in your daily workflow, or do you just still prefer writing formulas in the old way? Let me know down in the comment section. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Excel and AI tips. So I'll see you in the next video.